everybody. My name is Mary Hackett. I am a high school principal at Inwood Academy for Leadership in New York City. I majored in sociology and anthropology at Guilford College and graduated in 2011.
My name is Sarah Stengel, class of 2012, and I'm a program coordinator for Soccer Without Borders.
My name is Tim Barrows, class of 2016, and I'm an educational specialist at the National Aquarium.
My name is Susanna Redker. I was graduating class of 2001.
I'm Itai Jeffries. I have a PhD in sociology from Georgia State University, and I'm a Guilford College graduate, class of 2009, where I earned my bachelor's in sociology.
I would not be who I am today without the Sociology Anthropology department at Guilford College.
My anthropology degree taught me to be culturally sensitive in every setting, to really critically examine stereotypes and biases, and to always strive to get to know those around me and really understand them.
My training in sociology and anthropology has helped me develop really essential critical thinking skills and to examine everything in our day-to-day lives.
The interdisciplinary liberal arts education I received at Guilford equipped me to excel in my career. The ability to think critically and approach things from multiple angles is something that is necessary in my field.
Guilford College helped me understand the world and understand how to start to ask some really important and big questions about that world.
Growing up in the rural South as a biracial, indigenous, queer person was pretty confusing at times. I used to just internalize and personalize a lot of those negative experiences that I had or that I watched my family members have. But walking into those sociology classrooms, I found it was not because my family had unique problems, that my community was problematic, but instead systems of advantage and disadvantage, of systemic oppression, of racism had been established to create a certain social order.
It gave us space to begin to understand advocacy and activism.
As a mentor and a coach for refugee and immigrant youth, my background in anthropology has empowered me to navigate complex social and cultural situations.
I learned that my voice matters.
The ability to have a solid background of interdisciplinary understanding has helped me excel in my career and be able to work across different fields and disciplines.
And if it wasn't for my training, I wouldn't have known how to conduct such successful projects.
My anthropology degree has enabled me to overcome cultural, linguistic, religious differences in order to build community and a shared sense of humanity.
Every class was incredible. I don't think I took a single class that didn't shape or change the way I understood a part of the world around me.
Guilford is the school that saves lives.
It is a school that matters. Sociology and anthropology is a department that matters.
The world is impacted for the better because of Guilford College and the education it provides.
Save Guilford College.